Welcome to the March 2014 faculty meeting. For the faculty meeting this month, we are going to be focusing on creating a new template for their tracking calendar. As you may know, there are certain requirements that need to be on your tracking calendar, such as your instructor contact information is current and up to date, the course outcomes are listed, you have a picture of the book with the citation for the book, include what course outcomes will be met each week and what syllabus topics are covered each week. Include your instructor's methodology. Include all activities and assessments and assignments for the course. Include textbook reading and assignments. Include supplemental reading assignments from our virtual library or other professional sites for weeks 2 through 7. And please make sure there are no spelling, punctuation, or grammatical errors. To begin, we will look at the methodology column, the essential questions, topical questions, assessment and activities, textbook reading and supplemental readings, and topics. These are all areas that you will have to fill in yourself. For the methodology column, this is the type of learning and activities that will be used in each class. So what will the students be learning and how will they be learning it? This is where you would incorporate Bloom's action verbs. You will notice in this example how detailed the methodology is, and you will notice also the use of Bloom's language. For an essential question provokes deep thought, solicits information, gathering and evaluation of data, results in an original answer. It helps students conduct problem-related research. It makes students produce original ideas rather than predetermined answers. And they may not have an answer. And it, most importantly, encourages critical thinking, not just memorization of facts. So you would put your essential questions under the essential question box and the topical questions, which are questions that help support your essential questions. And they also lead to active discussions and also help promote critical thinking skills. The one area that's going to be new is your assessments and activities. If we scroll down to week 6, you will notice that next to the assessment activities, you will see TD, CC, and IL. These are the new requirements for the tracking calendar. This will officially start with the May 2014 session. So, next to CC, what is Career Connect? Career Connect identifies an activity that brings the world of work into the classroom and reinforces one or more of the workplace readiness capabilities. You were first introduced to this in the February faculty meeting. Career Connect activities can be classroom activities that incorporate discussion and/or application of one or more of the capabilities in the context of the workplace. They can also be simulations or role plays that reproduce actual workplace behaviors, field trips, guest speakers, interview assignments, business research projects, and/or presentations. As part of the Career Connect, students should reflect on how the experience ties to their development of one or more of the capabilities. Career Connect should be noted on the tracking calendar as CC. For IL, which stands for Information Literacy. Information literacy is a set of abilities requiring individuals to recognize when information is needed and have the ability to locate, evaluate, and use effectively the needed information. Information literacy also is increasingly important in the contemporary environment of rapid technological change and proliferating information sources. TD. Technological skills are when students would apply technology into their course, such as being able to create a PowerPoint, Excel, or Word document. So for example, if a student had to create a PowerPoint with a voiceover in your course, you would put TD next to that assessment on the tracking calendar. Your textbooks readings will go under textbook reading. The supplemental reading, supplemental material, this is where you will put in links to the virtual library or use scholarly resources. The syllabus topics, these are the topics that you're going to be focusing on during the week. And you will notice outcomes. You can please put the number of the course outcomes that are being met that week. So welcome to the March 2014 faculty meeting. If you have any questions regarding this new tracking calendar, and especially with the Career Connect and information literacy and technology skills development, there is a questions forum in the March 2014 faculty meeting where you can post your questions. So let's get started.